Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Alright, Ail. Today we will do just a small conversation, right? It's like a small interview between you as a ninth grade. Maybe this is for the last what's it? Last project, and later you just combine with your presentation before. Yes, but after this interview, you can do a presentation about your projects and also about the country. So the video will combine. Yeah. Okay. What is your complete name? Your complete name? Complete. Okay. So how we call you?
Ayo,
Ayo. Okay.
call me Ayo or Hilmi, but Hilmi already.
Yeah, there's Hilmi here too. Hilmi. Okay. So could you please introduce yourself more?
Um, I was born in Bandung.
Can I borrow
2011.
15?
2011. And then I have two siblings,
Yep.
two little siblings, sisters.
Okay, so what kind of people are you? What kind of people? Like, yeah, I am like
Maybe
this, like
I'm
this. Introvert person. Okay, it's okay. So just that you was born in Bandung.
Yes.
Okay, so and grow in Bandung also. Your parents are in Bandung
Yes.
now. Yeah. So you can speak Sundanese. All right. Okay. How many languages you can speak?
Indonesian,
Indonesia, bahasa,
and English,
English, of course,
Sundanese,
Sundanese.
and Minang.
Oh, Minang, really? Why Minang?
Just little because my grandmother
From Minangkabau. Oh, okay. Was born or from officially from? Oh, just born. Okay. So and I also want to know about your. Do you know you are introvert, right? Introvert, but it's mean I know I also introvert, and I know my strength. I know my weakness. What about you? What is your strength and what is your weakness?
Maybe my strength is already get close with others. I can speak much,
Hmm.
but if I doesn't close with others or yeah, don't know them, I was
Feel tired. Feel sad.
silent.
Silent. Yeah.
And my weakness as an introvert, I even cannot
Order food
order food.
and meeting people, maybe foreign people. Yeah, later you can try it. Yeah, because different between introvert and between silent and shy people. Yeah, later just introvert. But when you did the presentation, I think it's more good. Yeah, because in introvert also they have what is it? Their strengths and also their weakness. All people, yeah, even an extrovert, even ambivert. Okay, so who inspires you the most in the life?
My father.
The father. Okay, can you please tell us why?
Because my father ever taught me uh, let's imagine I'm the robot he built.
Yeah.
He, he taught me this the robot I created more strong than than the creator.
Okay. So what does it mean?
So I can be better than my father.
All right. Good. Yeah, it's good motivation. Yeah. Okay. So, so what else?
I think that
Just that, yeah, but
make me inspire the most.
yeah. So your father motivation, yeah, your father words, it will become your what's it? Your motivation, your motto, yeah. So I have to be more better from my father. Okay. So have you ever joined a project or competition
Competition.
since 7 and 9 grade?
Yesterday,
What competition? Yeah.
my mission myself in Bandung Indah Plaza.
Okay. So how it's run?
Maybe from the experience I get is how the we what that? How I use my mentality in the public
In
because
public. Okay.
because it's have to wait
Mm.
for test our robot
Mm.
and there is so much people that cut the line
Mm.
and I think yeah it's okay lah if as santri lah already
Mm.
used to it but I I was thinking there's no ethics I think
Mm.
in the public
In the
or
public.
yeah
Yeah, but we can control people, right? Yeah. So I think the experience is teach you to be more patient, yeah, to be more, and maybe also teach you that these people cutting line. If you cutting line, you will feel like this, like that, yeah. Because yeah, so the experience will teach you so many feelings and also new knowledge. Yeah, that's it. Okay. So did you win? Get
Alhamdulillah
an
get
achievement?
fourth
Fourth place. Fourth place. Okay. That's congratulations. And which your team or
team
team? Okay. Who's your team?
me and Furqan.
Only two people. They also the teachers
Teachers
who join?
company
Yeah, company.
Mr. Fadlan
Only Mr. Fadlan. Okay. So in where yeah, the competition?
in Bandung.
Oh, in Bandung. Okay. Okay. So one more congratulations for you. Maybe later you will get new experience and you can improve your skill again. Okay. So, do you have any experience as a teachers in identity teaching or training or teach someone or your
Teaching maybe not
not?
because I ever teach but like just documentation as a cameraman or what not presenting in front.
Oh, even in identity teaching also not did the presentation. Okay, so yeah, later I think that's why when my student want to do presentation or also identity teaching, I told them to what's it defy the yeah to speak defy the rule, yeah, not only become a cameraman or become a helper like that, so and also just say one by one can speak, give the chance to speak in front of them. Okay, so how did you feel when you became a trainer or helper?
It's kind of useless. Like I
Useless.
just holding camera or phone and crack done. Not
Okay, so what do you want to say?
maybe just let me just give me a chance for speaking front.
Okay. You teach with your team
Yes.
and who accompany you? Teachers or
No.
not?
Friends with me.
Only friends. Why didn't you talk to them? Shy.
No.
What?
Because in first I was comment for doing camera.
Hmm.
Just camera like
Yeah.
it's boring, bro.
Yeah. Talk to them. I want to. I want. Yeah. Give me a chance to speak in front of maybe only like for a question and answer session like this.
Uh,
So you did? Not.
No.
So later, don't only silent. Yeah, talk. I want uh I want to stand in front of for this session, not only become a cameraman, not only become a documentation people, but I maybe in this question and answer session, I will become a PIC like that. So you have to talk. If you not talk, maybe your friends also will think that you that you just agree. Yeah, don't be a yes man. Yes man. Yeah, if you have your idea, if you have your argument, just talk. Yeah. So, okay, so that's experience, yeah, for you. And also, what is your future dream? Become. I know. I think I know. Yeah. What?
Firefighter.
Firefighters,
In IT
engineer, IT science. Okay. Okay. Could you please explain maybe a little more?
The backstory, right?
Yep.
When I was 7, I think, I there is what in Bandung,
Hmm.
there is small get fire.
Oh.
I was fast in front of the fire, and then at that time there is no
Firefighter.
firefighter.
Hmm.
But a minute later, I was see firefighter truck the and others of the firefighter was running like wow, so
So
strong, so
cool.
low.
Yeah. So
That's considered I was interested of firefighter.
interest. Okay. So I hope in the future all people, all students can be meaningful and can reach the dreams. Yeah. So not only for ourselves but also for others. Okay. So what message do you want to give to us or to your friends or to yourself also?
What?
What message?
Reason?
Maybe the message from your father.
Okay. Uh,
What is it? You have to.
you have to be better than your father.
Then your father, and I think not your
Than
father.
our father.
Yeah. You have to be better than your role model. Yeah. Okay. So thank you for this interview, and also please be better every day. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam. Ya, bismillah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Waalaikumsalam. Alhamdulillah. Nahmaduhu wa nasta'inuhu wa nastaghfiruh. Wa na'udzu billahi min shururi anfusina wa min sayyiati a'malina. May yahdihillahu fala mudilla lahu wa may yudlil fala hadiya lahu. Amma ba'du. Alright. For this question, I wanna describe a country about Brazil. And I will tell you fun facts about Brazil, geography, and the culture. And here, I place a person Brazilian guy playing football. In here, it's very identical to Brazil because it's the center of sport and the center of football are Brazil, like others. Like Brazil is the most successful team in the World Cup. Next, there is some famous player from Brazil. There is Neymar Jr., Ronaldinho, Pelé, Ronaldo Nazario, Kaká, and Juninho. Maybe this guy is very underrated, but he is a great player in the national team. Alright, there is 8 fun facts about Brazil. The first is capital. The capital city of Brazil is Brasilia, not Rio de Janeiro. But still, Rio de Janeiro is the most populous city in that country. Because many people believe that it is. And the second is largest rainforest. Around 60% of the Amazon rainforest is the largest in the world. And it is located on Brazil. So Amazon rainforest is still pure rainforest. There is no buildings. There is still many tree and very kinds of fauna. And then there is football, of course. Brazil's national team has won the FIFA World Cup a record 5 times. That is making the most successful national team in history. So, Brazilian national team has won the FIFA World Cup 56, 90, 62, 70, 2002, and 2006. After that, Japanese population. You may be asking, Japanese population. That is far away from the Asia. So Brazil has the largest Japanese population of any country outside of Japan. It making the second Japanese population, the most Japanese population in the world. After that, the coastline. Brazil has the world's largest stretch of continuous coastline, which is 4,655 miles long. This makes the longest stretch of the continuous coastline, and it beat Indonesia. And biodiversity, this Brazil is one of the most biodiverse countries on earth, home to an estimated 4 million plant and animal species. This has linked to the largest rainforest in Amazon, because in this rainforest there's still many fauna and there's still many fauna. And the main origin of the country. The country is named after Brazil, which was one of the valuable as gold and was the country's first export. Brazil named their country because of the Brazil wood tree, the name of the tree, of course, which was, and they are making income from the trade. So there is very valuable for the country. After that, there's World War II. In the World War II, Brazil has the only independent South American country to send soldiers to fight in the World War II.
Alright, today we will do
FIFA. In the FIFA World Rank, Brazil now plays at 7.
Okay. So for the first, I will talk about
making
yourself.
it
Could you please
the
introduce
fourth
yourself more
lowest rank
and
of
how
all
did
the
you know
time.
yourself?
And
Okay, so
Fun
my
fact.
name is Alfian Zikri Ramadan.
Brazil has won
Alfian Orfian.
the FIFA World Cup 5 times, where the 3 of these won it by Pelé in the 56, 62, and the 70s. And these 2 in the Ronaldinho and Ronaldo Nazario era.
I have a leg
So that other in the football,
So
of course in futsal have
the second one
5 times won the FIFA Futsal World Cup. And Brazil plays at first in the rankings. This very origin the country because they play freestyle and got tactics like ours, like Indonesia. But Indonesia also has the
So, yeah.
highest.
Okay, so,
Second in the-
do you
in
know
the Southeast
what is
Asia.
your power,
That-
your strength, and your weakness?
And the football culture. Football is the central part of Brazil's
Heavy shine.
and daily life, often earning the nation the title the country of football. It united people across social groups, especially during the World Cup. So World Cup can reunion the people or the citizen to watch the World Cup. After that, when the national pride and celebration to the streets. However, with the rise of internet and Brazil's growing success in the Olympic sport, public interest has begun to diversity, with more Brazilians now following sports like surfing, skateboarding, tennis, swimming, slightly reducing football's dominance in the country. So, in here, we know that Brazilians love freestyling in the streets, like surfing and skateboarding.
Like fast learning.
It's
Okay.
two sports that has
What is your
to use a skill and at the times.
I come back in
Other than now, let's find the geography. The area of Brazil is 8 million 8,550,767 kilometers square, where lies the fifth in the world. Then the water the percentages is only 0.65%, and this place in the
someone that you already know.
population 2025 estimate seventh place, which is the
June to
seventh place, which is the
inspires you.
213,421,037.
How?
But the 2022 census still 203,080,756. Still the seventh place. And in Indonesia, 23.8 per kilometer per square. So, per square kilometer, there is 23 per square kilometer is there is 23 people in there. And the GDP is the slightly of the economy, GDP nominal of the total
Okay.
is
So, have you ever done a project or competition?
2,126
What are these
trillion,
competition?
which is the 10th place in the world. And GDP per capita is 9,964, which is the lowest in their history, which place in 78th place. And the PDP
Yeah, it's okay. So that's
total
such
is
best experience.
4,958 billion, which place in the 8th and highest rank
So
for now. And the GDP per capita is 23,000,
can
238,
team or
which
just do
still same
project
as the nominal per capita, 78.
Maybe a team. I have
After that, there is some amazing fact about their geography. There is major physical features like Amazon basin, cover over 60% of Brazil and contains the world's largest current forest and the Amazon River system. After that, Brazilian highlands and eroded plateau
follow
making up more than half of the country
not
land,
to be like
featuring low mountains,
we can
hills,
improve
and
our
plateaus.
ourselves even
And Guinea Highlands,
because
located in the northern part of country.
sometimes I meet people
In the northern
and sometimes
part.
I need to
This region contains Brazilian
follow
highest
and
point
advise.
because the
So, about
there is
the
Savannah, the world largest tropical wetland area. So
teachers.
the
Have you ever from
so the surroundings of the
doing
area
what's it?
has the highest
Teaching or
water,
in
highest
even in
water,
ID teaching or
water
Yes.
in the country. Known for its high
My
concentration
experience,
of
I
wildlife.
teaching my
And the coastline, we already explained that, an extensive Atlantic coastline stretch for over
Four times.
7,000
9 grades.
7,491
from
kilometers. And the climate and topography.
And
Climate is
I feel
various of tropical in the north to subtropical in the south. The Amazon is constantly hot and humid, while the northeast has a semi-arid climate, and the south experience for more moderate temperature. And the topography include a wide range of landforms from
Once you
lowlands
do
and coastal
education,
plains to
once
highlands
you become
due
a teacher,
to its location
One-
near the
what is
center
it?
of the South
yeah,
American
teacher or
tectonic
speaker or
Brazil has the little
professional.
volcanic and systemic activity.
What is your role?
In the border and area, Brazil border
Speaker.
all other South
So, how did you feel?
Ecuador and Chile, because Chile are in the west of South America. Given the area
Yes.
and over 85 million square kilometer, Brazil
It's
is the
blank,
fifth
blank,
largest
yeah.
in the world.
So you still feel nervous.
Okay,
to
maybe
teach
that's
or
all.
speak in
Thank you
front of
very much
people.
for your
What if
attention.
in front of
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Because yeah, like I am.
Bismillah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi.
Innal hamdalillah nahmaduhu wa nasta'inuhu wa nastaghfiruh wa na'udzu billahi min shururi anfusina wa min sayyiati a'malina may yahdihillahu fala mudilla lahu wa may yudlil fala hadiya lahu. Amma ba'du. So today I want to present about my portfolio since 7th grade. Okay, about me. My name is Himail Nafil, usually called Demi or Ail. I studied at IDN Project School. For more information, that's my LinkedIn profile. And first tier from project 7th grade is my best project for 7th grade is the box. The block project, example like climbing ball or the others. I choose them because good box use more efforts than Scratch, and it's more complicated than Scratch, and it need more time to complete it than Scratch. Others so needs more effort, and I think the result is fine. Not too disappointed, but the first project at Good Box very disappointed because so many errors. Okay, in second project 8th grade, the UI Muslim app. So in 8th grade, we studied two IT materials, design and IoT or robotics. But I didn't. When at grade, I interested into designing then robotics because I don't know. Maybe it's very complicated for robotics for me. So I just to focus at designing. And I think UI Muslim app is my best project at best because has more effort in it and needs so many remedy by Mr. Angga. Then project 9th grade Codular projects. This example like the name card, radio app, talk to me, find my age in calculator. All this I think is the best because it's, we can understand easily, and other project is more flexible, like need less time, less effort, and the result is good. And then certificate. From some grade, I achieved some certificate about the basement mapping dakwah assumption, and then introduce to data science Python is certificate. After that, some solar like CSS and HTML. After that, at 8th grade, I complete certificate of course completion about networking device and initial configuration and networking basics. And the latest is 9th grade, where I successfully completing computer hardware basics. And then experience teaching competition, maybe my first and last in IGN about teaching was the Anahal with Richard and Fadil. I didn't. Maybe there is no me in this picture because I was the camera. That my first experience about competition is online English Olympic competition by Islasnas. I achieved silver medal, and this is my very first competition experience. Maybe yes. And the second, I did it. I haven't searched the picture of myself about the second competition of English. It's online too when 17 August. That my latest experience teaching is English TP event at BIP and this I achieved fourth place or juara harapan 1 PON.
Masya Allah.
And I learned so much from him. I so grateful that I've made chemistry with him. Maybe this is the first and the last about for the robotic competition. And then thank you very much for your attention. Maybe that's all that I can say. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.